Alright, so I'm hoping I've got a solution to the diaphragm popping on the D30, AR30, 40, 50, and I think they make a D60 and an AR60. Anyway, this configuration where it's got this stupid blowout diaphragm, safety diaphragm on the low side of the pump. Now, I thought how stupid this was, and I said, you know, they should put a pop-off valve right there instead of this diaphragm, so you could, you know, if it pops off, it'll reset. Anyway, so here we go. I've got this half-inch pop-off valve, and it's adjustable. It says it's set right now for 75 pounds. Looks like it's got a little ways to go down, but you could bring it out maybe 50 pounds. I don't know, but it's set at 75 pounds, which is, I think, a good place to start anyway. So I'm going to take this plug out, and we're going to put this pop-off valve in, and we're going to see if we can get it to pop off and reset. Alright, so I got the pop-off valve on there. It looks like it's all stainless steel, which is really cool. And it was $22 on Amazon. I'll leave a link down below. But anyway, so what I'm going to do is make it pop off and see how it works. So I'm going to run it up first to say 200 pounds, and then I'm going to turn it off without pulling the trigger on the gun, and that's going to force the 200 pounds back into the low side of the pump, and it should pop this valve. So let's see what happens. There we go. It's working. All right, let's take it up even higher, get this thing to really spray. There we go. And notice that that O-ring's not leaking there either. So I think it's a good fix. I'm going to relieve the pressure. Okay, so that went off. So let's see if it just leaks now that it's popped off. Here we go. I can see my hose is swelling up, and it's relieving itself. Okay, let's see what else. I'm going to start it with it running, like I'm going to start the engine with it weeping out, and it should stop. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is, I popped it the other day by just reducing the pressure real fast and not doing anything else. So let's do that. perfect, man. No need for this. This pop-off valve costs as much as this does, and this is going to keep you from having any accidents, and it's going to reset when you relieve the pressure off of it. Here, I'm going to pull the trigger, just like that. So, all right, guys, there you go. So, the other thing I noticed today, I washed one house with it today, and then I downstream another. But I did notice, since these cylinders are opposing, there is quite a bit of shudder inside, and that's the reason for the damper. You can just put your hand like right here on this hose, and you can feel it boom, 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 like that. So that's the reason for this. Now, so the triplex AR45 doesn't have that. It runs smooth because the cylinders aren't opposed like that, 180 degrees out. So anyway, I'll leave all the links down below so you can buy that pop-off valve. And yeah, I think the only thing I would do is put a short hose on here and run it down through right there so it's not splashing all over, and just be done with it like that. So I'm going to use it tomorrow on a house and see what happens, but I think we got it. So this pump now is a lot more useful for me, and it's not going to cost as much in the end if you accidentally, you know, screw this up. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and share my content, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye.